Okay, so we're going to use the concept of rotational symmetry to try to create some kind of really cool logo or just a really cool design in general. It's a lot of fun to do, and I hope you guys will use your creativity to make something really interesting. So, to start off with here, if I'm in Sketchpad, and your Sketchpad might be a slightly different version of it, but this one may have a few more things, but I'll just use the things that you guys can use here anyway. Um, to make a simple line, I basically click on this line and I can just click and drag and create a line. I can also sort of draw my own line. So if I click on this marker here, and I believe yours might be slightly different, I can draw in something in here and I'm just going to just do something kind of crazy in here. I don't even know what I'm making here, which is usually the case, and it just kind of turns into something. Looks kind of like an octopus in there. Um, and I've created a little bit of a design on there. I can also put in maybe a little circle in here. So I'll click and drag a circle into this area. Okay. And one of the things, if there's certain, like, I don't like the dots a lot of times in here, so I kind of want to hide those. So I can try going in here, selecting things. And first of all, I have to unselect some things, but I select the things I want to get rid of, and I want to get rid of these dots. I'm going to eventually rotate around this dot, so I don't want to get rid of that one. So I'm going to display, hide those points, and okay, so now I have this design so far, and I'm going to try to use some rotational symmetry to make some kind of logo or something. What I can do is I'm going to double click this thing. Now that's the point that I'm going to do my rotation around. Now I'm going to select the whole thing by basically clicking and dragging and highlighting the whole object. And now I'm going to click on transform and rotate. And right now it has rotating 90 degrees. Let's see, if I need, as long as I choose an angle here that's divisible by 360, let's see if I do 45, there's kind of an overlap in there. I'll see what, sometimes it looks good with an overlap, so I'll try that. So I'll rotate with 45 degrees, and I'll try it again, transform, rotate. Then it rotates from where the last one you just made. Rotate, transform, rotate, and you get the picture. I'll just keep clicking this. Oops, didn't want to translate. Try that again. Rotate. Alright, so now I've made a complete rotation around. This one has rotational symmetry all the way around, and so now I've created a little image. And if I move this to the center here, and then I actually highlight the whole thing, I can grab the whole piece and then copy it with Control C or Command C, and I can go take it and put it into a Word document. Here's some of the stuff that I just made just a few minutes ago, trying out this program on a Mac, which is my first time doing this. And I can go down here and just, let's see, right in here I want to click on return or enter so that I can start a new row. I paste, and this is pretty big, so I'm going to click on it, and I want to make it smaller. And select it, just rotate it, or just drag it till it's smaller, and now I have a shape, a new shape that could be a logo or something that's in there. So go ahead and see what you can make. See if you can make a cool logo or some kind of cool design, and then show me what you come up with.